What is going on in the market? Is it going up, down, or staying the same? We're going to get to all that and a little bit more in today's weekly market update. Hey, it's Nathaniel Terryberry with Terryberry Real Estate Group at CIR Realty. Today we're going to be looking at the stats so far for May and comparing week to week. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So looking at listings and sales, 6,138 listings as of this week versus last week we had 5,965. So a nice increase there, especially with being low inventory levels. Sales, we're looking at up 261%. So this isn't a rolling 30-day period year over year. So it's not very indicative of where the market was at last year and kind of how much sales have increased, just because that was when everyone was just getting back into the market looking for houses again after the initial impacts of COVID. So looking at 3,259 sales in this 30-day period. Last year at that same amount of time, we had 902. So months of inventory, as I've said previously, 3-4 is kind of a balanced market. So we're still very much in a seller's market with exception to apartments. So detached homes, 1.31 months of inventory. That's this week versus last week was 1.26. Attached homes, 1.92 versus 1.85. And then apartments, 4.72 versus 4.35. And that's just because there's so many more apartments and there's not as many buyers. So with the current market activity, if nobody else listed their apartment, we would run out in 4.72 months. So this is, you can kind of see it is slowing down slightly, nothing crazy, but there's just less buyers. The interest rates are slowly going up, and homes are sitting a little bit longer on the market than they have in previous months, but that is totally expected. Nothing crazy, and we're still very much in a seller's market. So overall total days on months of inventory in Calgary would be 1.88, and last week it was sitting around a 1.81. So slight increases everywhere to be expected, but just shows the market is slowing slightly, just a little bit. Benchmark price, this is year over year for May. This has stayed all the same. So detached home is 529,100, which is up 11%. Big jump for detached homes. Attached homes, 355,700, up 7.1%. Again, really good growth there. And apartments, 251,900, which is up 3.6%. So it's good to see even the apartments are still continuing to have a price increase. Overall in Calgary, your benchmark price is going to be 451,400, which for year over year is up 9.2%. So big increases everywhere, which is really good to see. But yeah, so that is it for the weekly market update. You can see it is slowing off a little bit, but house prices are still increased from where they were last year. Still a seller's market. Just gives you a little bit more breathing room than what we've had in the past few months, and you don't necessarily have to be all over something. But yeah. So if you guys do have any questions about your specific community, definitely reach out. We have those stats. Or if you just want to see the full May Calgary market report, then definitely reach out and we would be happy to help you out with that. Awesome. Have a good one, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.